Hello everyone, today we will going to have a new experiment. This is called cold air balloon. But first, we need to gather our materials. Let's go! Baking soda, vinegar,
Balloon!
3 empty identical clear water bottles.
Tablespoon and teaspoon.
3 pieces of rubber bands. Tape measure.
water,
Small funnel.
Using a funnel, fill each balloon with a teaspoon of baking soda and set aside.
Put a label for each water bottle, A, B, and C.
Next is to fill the 3 empty water bottles with different concentration of vinegar.
For bottle A with 2 tablespoons vinegar, 4 tablespoons water, 33% vinegar solution.
For bottle B, with 4 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoon water, 60% vinegar solution.
For bottle C with 6 tablespoons of vinegar, 100% pure vinegar.
Carefully fit the balloons over the opening of each of the bottles. Secure them with some rubber bands.
Prepare a timer with your mobile phone. Simultaneously drop the baking soda inside the bottles. After exactly 30 seconds, compare how each balloon expanded in each setup. Using a tape measure, try to measure the circumference of each balloon and its final length.
Paano nga ba nangyari ito? When baking soda and vinegar mix together, a chemical reaction occurs. Now this produces carbon dioxide which inflates the balloon. This produces This produces carbon dioxide which inflates the balloon. This